back to another video. Today we'll be making white chocolate chip cookies with the Q&A. So I have some questions that I asked on my Instagram. That I asked people on my Instagram to give me some questions, and I'll be answering them. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And let's get y'all, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get back to the swing of everything. School's out, so more cooking videos for sure going out. So yeah, I'm super excited. But the ingredients you will need will be 3/4 cup unsalted butter, 1/2 cup brown sugar and white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 cup white chocolate chips. Let's get started. Our butter and our sugar to lightly fluffy. I'm gonna mix. So scrape down the sides. Add egg and vanilla extract. I listen to a lot. I don't want to say I listen to everything, but I don't. But like, don't know. Make sure you wash your hands when you're dealing with any raw thing, because okay, now we're gonna mix this together. Okay, now we're gonna add all of our dry ingredients in. Make sure we get all of that in, all of our flour in, and put on low. Using my little thing and mix it all together. just want to make sure everything is nice. I'm gonna quick load it. And now we're gonna add our white chocolate chip. Put our coat. Okay, now we're gonna put this in the. Okay, so I let it chill for like 2 hours. Now I'm just gonna. I preheated my oven at 350, so I'm just gonna pop these in for 10 to 12 minutes. These are really small, so they shouldn't really take that long to bake. So I'm gonna see when they get. I'm seeing when they get out and cool. Okay, so I got the cookies. I only did a little bit. I'm gonna let the rest of it chill, and I'm probably gonna bake it tomorrow because it's like 11 o'clock now. So yeah, I did a few. This is how they turned out. You can see a few of them was going because we had to try one, But they were good. They turned out good. I didn't answer a lot of questions. I'll probably make another YouTube video with the rest of the questions because it was a lot of questions. So I'll probably make another YouTube video for that. Sorry if you hear the noise in the back of my vacuum cleaner. I don't know why, but it's fine. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Put in the comment section down below what else you want me to cook, bake, what else you want me to record, if you want vlogs, anything like that. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.